Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, good morning and welcome to my channel. Get a cup of coffee and we'll go ahead and get started. Hey, and good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Melinda from Melinda Designs, and I'd like to show you in this tutorial how to attach a piece of felt onto your finished product. Like say it's a purse or a coin purse. And just say for whatever reason you don't have a piece of fabric, at least you have something else that you can attach to your project. Okay, what you'll simply need is of course a piece of felt, your finished product, a hook, crochet hook, probably say size 3mm, wool thread, piece of a sewing needle or embroidery needle, whichever you want to call it, pair of scissors, and of course some scrap yarn. Okay, what you'll need to do is go ahead and thread your needle and then simply cut out the size shape that you're needing as far as attaching the felt in. Be sure to have the finished product, the side that you're wanting to not be covered, to be side down. Then once you attach the needle onto the felt, simply just sew in and going, I guess you want to say backwards. So you can make these loops whenever you use your hook. You can then go ahead and have enough space to be able to grab the yarn. Okay, as you see here, I'm just simply going along the edges, and as I'm not crocheting, but as I'm sewing, I'm not going all the way through, but I'm grasping the yarn from the finished product along with the felt. Okay, next we'll just take any scrap yarn that you have available that you would like to have to go along with this project, and seeing that it is basically gold, and then I think this is a gold color felt too. I'm not 100% sure. I don't believe that they show the colors on the actual felt, like the names of them. Not really 100% sure. But anyways, we will go ahead and attach the yarn, if I can find the end here, and do a simple slip knot onto the hook. And then we just simply go through the loop. See how easily that was by using a smaller hook. And you can either do a slip stitch or a single crochet. Now for this illustration, I'm going to go ahead and just do a slip stitch. And then just pull all the way through to the other side. This is an easy, simple project to do. At the same token, you'll have two things done at once. It gives you a nice little protective layer, so whenever you have a, we'll say, I don't know, I want to think maybe a pen or whatever, and you simply put it in your purse, at least it won't go all the way through. Alright, well, thank you so much for dropping by. I really appreciate it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, have a good day.